Hello everyone, hope you guys are having a great time. So in this video I'm gonna be discussing the top reasons why you may stall your car while driving. So before starting the video, if you guys are new here, consider subscribing. Here I'll be uploading videos related to driving tips and tricks and informative videos related to cars. So guys, there are mainly 5 reasons why you may stall your car while driving. So guys, the first reason why you may stall your car is you release the clutch too fast and then you stall your car. So you should not release the clutch too fast. Try to be gentle with the clutch, and when you are releasing the clutch, when you want to move your car forward, release it very slowly so that you don't stall your car. And guys, another reason why you may stall your car is although you release the clutch slowly, but still you don't give enough gas and then you stall your car. So guys, another reason why you may stall your car is you move your car in the wrong gear. What I mean is that when you are at completely stop position, instead of moving your car from first gear, you mistakenly put your car's gear on third, because you think that you are putting your car in first gear, but by mistakenly the car will be in third gear. That's because you are not slotting the gear correctly. So if you guys want to know how to shift the gears correctly, click on the link above here and go and watch that video. So guys, another reason why you may stall your car is you upshift too early. So when you are upshifting the gears, you also need to increase the speed of your car. If you don't increase the speed of your car and you simply upshift the gears, then you will stall your car. And the final reason why you may stall your car is you stop your car without pressing the clutch. So if you don't press the clutch while you are stopping your car, then you will stall your car. So make sure that while stopping your car, you are pressing the clutch. So let's learn all these 5 reasons truly by driving. So guys, the first reason why you may stall your car was releasing the clutch too fast. So let's see what will happen if you release the clutch too fast. So let me put the car in first gear and I release the clutch suddenly, and as you guys can see, the car is stalled. So guys, the second reason why you may stall your car was not giving enough gas. So although if you release the clutch slowly, if you didn't give enough gas, you will stall your car. So let's see what will happen if we don't give enough gas. So now I'm in first gear, so I'll release the clutch slowly, but I won't give enough gas. I'm releasing the clutch slowly, I am not giving enough gas, and I will stall my car. So this was the second reason. And the third reason was moving your car in the wrong gear. So what does the wrong gear means? So while you are moving, instead of putting your car in first gear, you are putting your car in third gear, and you are thinking that your car is in first gear, but by mistakenly your car will be in third gear and there won't be enough torque in the third gear and you will stall your car. So I will show you. So let me put the car in third gear, thinking that I have put the gear in first. Now by mistakenly I have put the car in third gear, and what will happen if I release the clutch? If I release the clutch, there won't be enough torque and you will stall your car. So this was the third reason. And guys, the fourth reason why you may stall your car is you upshift the gears too early. So guys, now I am driving in second gear, but at the same speed, if I upshift from second to fourth, I will stall my car. I will show you. Currently I'm driving in second gear, and if I put the car in fourth gear and release the clutch, I will stall my car. You guys can see. And guys, the final reason why you may stall your car is stopping the car without using the clutch. So I will show you what happens if we stop the car without pressing the clutch. Now I am driving in second gear, and if I simply press the brake, then I will stall my car like this. So guys, these were the 5 reasons why you may stall your car while driving. Hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, don't forget to like the video, and if you guys are new here, consider subscribing. Here I'll be uploading videos related to driving tips and tricks and informative videos related to cars. Thank you so much for watching. Drive safe and take care.